Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to How to Fi. In this video, let me show you how you can permanently delete Lord's mobile account. So all you have to do is click the settings icon at the bottom of your game screen. While you are in the settings tab, click the help button. While you are in the help tab, click live chat. As you can see, we're doing Insight live chat. While we are in the live chat tab, click account related. While we are in the account related tab, just type in I want to delete my account and the support team will do the rest. Now all you have to do is wait for the deletion. That's how simple and easy you can permanently delete Lord's mobile account. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.